What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis of AABB stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Asia Broadband Inc is a resource company focused on the production, supply and sale of precious and base metals, primarily to Asian markets. The company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience and extensive industry contacts to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of the precious and base metals in Mexico to client sales networks in Asia. This vertical integration approach to sale transactions is the unique strength of AABB that differentiates the company and creates distinctive value for shareholders. AABB also is releasing a freshly minted mine-to-token gold-backed cryptocurrency and expects to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is secured and trusted with gold backing, an outstanding quality relative to other cryptocurrency. This last sentence describes all the hype around this company. And first of all, let's dive deep into their financials. So, here is their latest report of Q3 2020. And first of all, let me see their assets. They have $33.7 million in total assets. And their total liabilities exactly the same amount. So, they are breaking even with the assets and liabilities, with the balance of assets and liabilities, and on 2019 they have absolutely the same situation, 24.7 million and 24.7 million. And what about their income? Their net income for Q3 2020 is $3.061 million and compared to $1.45 million in Q3 2019. And 9 months of 2020 was $8.9 million compared to the same period of 2019 of $3.76 million. They have net income of about $3 million in Q3 2020 and about 8.767 in 9 months of 2020. So they don't have losses. It's a good sign for the company. It's pretty stable. And according to their cash flow report, you can see that they have $8.75 million in cash on hand compared to $6.9 million in 2019. And this is the period of 9 months 2020 compared to 9 months 2019. And from the financial standpoint, I think it's a very stable company. They have enough money, they have enough cash on hand, they have a good ratio of assets and liabilities, and they have positive income. And this leads us to next information, to their gold-backed cryptocurrency token. And we are on otcmarkets.com. And here is the official press release that was published on March the 9th. And this press release clarifies some information about gold-backed cryptocurrency token. And let me quote you a couple of paragraphs. The ABB Gold token is backed 100% by physical gold held by the company in several high-security private locations in Mexico. The company will continue to back the token 100% by additional physical gold acquired from future mining production and gold purchased from cash reservoirs or credit. The initial token release will be backed by $13 million in physical gold the company currently holds. At today's market price of gold, this initial token release will be approximately 5.5 million tokens at the 1/10 gram of gold price for each AABBG token. The token price will also be tied to and supported by the company at the market price of gold at a minimum. As the price of gold fluctuates, the minimum supported price of the AABBG token will increase or decrease, but the potential upside price of the token will be driven by market demand. And I think it is a brilliant idea for the company to issue this type of tokens that is backed by gold, 100% by gold. And it's very clever because they have these additional funds to enhance their activity on their primarily industry. And on top of that, you can see that they launch a version of AABB wallet and this wallet will allow purchasers to transfer AABB token to others that also have the AABB wallet. But tokens will not initially be exchangeable with the AABB wallet for other cryptocurrencies. This inaugural version of AABB wallet will allow for the increase in token circulation and provide the accumulation of revenues to be utilized for the support and stabilization of the token price when AABB is freely exchangeable in the open market. And here is their website, and we are on section AABB Gold. And this is some information about their wallet, and it says it is a unique wallet that can send and receive crypto instantly, send AABB Gold and other crypto by email, SMS or social media. Next bullet is anonymity is our priority. Transactions are invisible to third parties. Sleep like a baby knowing your crypto is safe with passphrase and PIN code protection. B2C and B2B transaction, AABB wallet can do it efficiently. Boost your B2C and B2B referral program. Quickly exchange to your crypto for USD and other fiat. Use AABB Gold as your main currency for all your gold related transactions. And it's pretty standard for majority of cryptocurrencies, except that this token is backed by gold. And here is this website. It is a AABB wallet, and you can download this wallet via Google Play or App Store, and it is working for now. And I think all this information leads us to this price action, this insane price action. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, from the bottom to the top of this wave, we have a surge in price of more than 5,500%. And it is insane gains during the just several days. And from the top, from the all-time highs to this retracement, it has a decline in price of about 85%, and for now this price action is already up for about a little bit less than 400%, and it's huge volatility. It's mind-blowing volatility, and that's why you have to be extremely cautious with this asset. If you decide to buy this stock, to buy these shares, you have to realize that because of this huge volatility, you can lose a massive amount of your money, and you have to be prepared to this. And let me show you lower time frames. Let's begin with the 1 hour time frame, and let me show you indicators. So as you can see here, we had the bearish divergence on a 1 hour time frame, and for now we have some relief at this point. Let me show you the retracement from the bottom of this wave to the top of this structure, and we've hit 0.236, as you can see, poke it through and then bounce back, and here we are forming some kind of double top, and it is also a bearish signal, but we might form the structure of ascending triangle, some kind of this structure, and then it will break to the upside. And let me show you how it is possible to define. This type of formation is potentially forming right here, and this formation usually breaks to the upside. But let's continue with the next time frame, 2 hour time frame. We are hovering in the border of overbought and oversold region, but according to MACD, as you can see, we're losing momentum. We have this peak, and it is lower, and let me show you that here we have higher highs on price action with the lower highs on MACD, and it is also bearish divergence. On top of that, we might have anytime soon the crossover of these two lines, red and blue, and this might indicate that we will go to the downside. Let me show you 3 hour time frame. And we have basically the same situation. Next is 4 hour. Yeah, and here we're forming again potentially bearish divergence on RSI. And according to MACD, we're losing momentum, but we have some room to go to the upside. So, in my opinion, what should you do if you want to trade this stock? First of all, I think we might have one more leg to the upside, and it is very risky trade, as I already mentioned. And here is the top, and it will be major resistance for the assets, at least in a short period of time. But on the other hand, we might have some retracement from these points because if we will continue to form bearish divergences, it might indicate that we might go to the downside. And what am I recommend you to do? If you want to catch the trade and if you want to invest in this company, just use a fraction of your money to enter your position right here. But be prepared that we might go to the downside, and this might be some kind of retracement along these levels. So if we go to the downside, this will be your accumulation points. But first of all, I encourage you to do your own due diligence. In this case, you will know much more about this company, and it will clarify some things that you don't understand for now, probably. And if this asset will go to the upside, then we will have another retracement somewhere in the future, and I will do an update, and then I will provide you some more information with the price action and what should you do if you want to catch the trade or invest in this company. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.